Hello dear students. So let us discuss about the standard free energy change during a biological reaction. So let us consider a general reaction of the type. So at constant temperature, at constant temperature and pressure, the change in free energy, so that is delta G naught, is given by, that is delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln concentration of the products divided by concentration of the reactants. So here the delta G is the change in the free energy, delta G naught is the standard free energy change, so on R is the universal gas constant and T is the temperature in Kelvin, and A and B are the concentrations of the reactant and product. So this is the concentration of the reactant A and this is the concentration of the reactant B. So if the concentrations of A and B, okay, is equal to 1 mole per dm cube, 1 mole per dm cube. Therefore at standard condition ln concentration of B divided by concentration of A will be 0. Okay, so therefore this equation becomes delta G is equal to delta G naught. So this delta G naught represents the direction of reaction. So this is under standard conditions, under standard conditions. So this delta G naught cannot predict the direction of the reaction under the physiological conditions. Okay, so this delta G naught only that represents the direction of the reaction under standard reaction conditions, but this does not predict the direction of the reaction under the physiological conditions. So when the system is in equilibrium, so there is no change in the free energy, so therefore delta G is equal to 0, and the concentrations of A and B, okay, so are equal. So therefore the concentration of A and concentration of B are equal at equilibrium. So that is equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant, or the concentration of B divided by concentration of A is equal to the equilibrium constant equilibrium constant Keq. Okay, so therefore delta G naught dash is equal to minus RT ln equilibrium constant, or delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 log to the base 10 K of equilibrium. Okay, so if K of equilibrium constant is 1, so then delta G naught, the change in the standard free energy, is 0. Okay, if K equilibrium, the equilibrium constant, if it is greater than 1, then the delta G naught is negative. Delta G naught is negative. So similarly, if the equilibrium constant is less than 1, then the delta G naught, standard free energy change, is positive. Okay. So biological reactions. So the biological reactions occur in cell in a well buffer solution. Okay. So the biological reactions they will going to occur in a well buffer solution. So that buffer solution, so the pH is equal to 7. So therefore, so biochemists define slightly different standard state. So that is, for a biochemical reactions, the standard free energy change is given by, so delta G naught dash, and the equilibrium constant is given by K into EQ dash. EQ dash. Okay. So which corresponds to the pH is equal to 7. So delta G naught dash and the equilibrium constant KEQ dash represents the standard free energy change and equilibrium constant at a pH of 7. Okay, because the biochemical reactions takes place in a buffer solutions. So if the buffer is at the pH of the buffer is at 7, so then the standard free energy change and the equilibrium constant for a biochemical reaction is given by this delta G naught dash and K equilibrium dash. So this dash indicates that this is a biological reaction and it is taking place at the pH 7. Okay, so now the equation can be written as, that is, delta G naught dash is equal to minus 2.303 RT log 10 equilibrium constant dash. So this is the standard free energy change for a biological reaction.